Hello, I'm Master123. Today, I will be showing you another really cool trick. Alright, but before we get into the video, I just want to say that, the quality of the video is not the best. I did, record this earlier. I was at a rehearsal for a show, and, I just wanted to video record it so I can post it for you guys. So there's a lot of background noise, and it's just not the best. Sorry in advance, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So let's get into the video. Alright, so I have a deck of cards here, but it's actually blue. It's a blue deck of cards. Okay. So what I want you to do, I want you to tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, Sean.
Stop.
Stop? Alright, so you could have stopped. You could have said stop anyway, right?
Yep.
Okay. You told me when to stop at the Queen of Clubs. So I want you to take the marker, and I want you to sign your name anywhere. Like, wait, don't, like, make it unique.
Alright.
Yeah. So, like, you can put, you can do any like, designs or anything. Okay. So this is his unique signature. Okay, so now what we'll do, right here. And now, what I want you to do, I want you to tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right here? Okay. So we'll put the card right here. Now it's anywhere lost in the deck, right? So we have a red deck. We have a red box for a reason. We'll put the card. We'll put the deck in the red box.
Yes.
Right? We'll give it a shake. Take the deck out of the box. And we show one red card. And that one red card. Your signed card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, sorry about the quality and like all the background noise. And there will be a tutorial. I'm gonna see if I can do a tutorial for this at a later date. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and comment what you think and what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.